Is it recording? Hello, my name is Nicholas. Thank you for checking out my video. The discussion is protein powder or isolated amino acids. I was talking to one of my clients and he basically sent me a laundry list of supplements he's taking. My whole job is to understand why a person's taking this shit. And he sent me a link of these, what I would like to call bodybuilder YouTube guy. Just like many guys like him, either profit from recommending supplements or sell supplements. I think that's fine. I'm all for it. But my job is to basically educate people who just need to learn how things really work. Now, when it comes to supplements in general, it's not regulated, meaning you really don't know what's in a product unless you take it to a lab. Now, of course, with some supplements, regardless if it's protein powder and all things, the company can actually pay to go through more of a process. It's kind of like a verification that this product meets this standard of quality. And then I do the research behind it and realize, oh no, this doesn't really meet that quality. And their idea of quality, they don't really define it. Our product is quality. What does that actually mean? Is it low quality? Is it high quality? What the fuck is high quality? How do you define high quality? So you may purchase something that is hyped up because this guy, bodybuilder dude, is on the product, his name and all things, so he's making it seem like it's better than other products. Like, let me give you an example. This one guy told me, well, my protein powder is better because I have more of branched-chain amino acids. I think isoleucine, leucine, and valine. And branched-chain amino acids are good for the workout, training, and all things. He was going on and on about it, and I said, well, a lot of protein powders contain branched-chain amino acids. And he says, well, we got more of it, as if that's better, or we have more of this. And then they hike up the price when you can actually purchase some of this stuff individually, if need be. That's what I do, and I save a lot of money and get the results that I want. Furthermore, again, with how they word things, you have to be really careful because, for one, how much of that product do you really need? Usually when I see these guys talk in their videos, they're talking about the athletes they train, but those are athletes. But for example, people think that I'm taking in all this protein powder. I'm not. I like to eat meals and all things, but whatever. Nobody likes to do that no more. But anyway, the point that I'm trying to make is that don't abuse the supplements at all. What people don't know about branched-chain amino acids is that it competes at the blood-brain barrier with aromatic amino acids, I believe. And there are repercussions to that people really don't think about. I actually did an extensive research paper on this, and just to learn. And it's amazing how people are actually taking in more than what they need. Your body can only absorb and use so much, regardless of what it is. Always keep this in mind. There is a such thing as a threshold and saturation when it comes to nutrients and all things. Realize that you're at a certain level with your physique, and we're all at different levels, so you need to put it into perspective for you. Please do your research. I can tell you from the research I have done on a lot of these products, anything with the stamp of bodybuilder, I can almost guarantee you that the prices will be higher than what it should be. But if you find something without that little label on it that kind of meets the same ratio and all things, it is so much more cheaper. It's all based on advertising, and that's where a lot of the money goes. And when it comes to toxicity with these supplements, you would be surprised of how much heavy metals and all things are in even protein powder. And that's where this whole standard of quality comes into play. So again, don't be suckered in by YouTube bodybuilder people. You know, of course, some of them look great, but that doesn't necessarily mean that they're actually taking the product they're recommending you to take. That was a mouthful, but I just wanted to get that out there, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I hope to do more in the future. So, peace.